Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best graphite electrode is probably one of the most crucial components in electric arc furnaces, playing a pivotal role in steelmaking and other high-temperature industrial processes by conducting immense electrical currents needed to melt scrap metal and produce new steel, making its quality and performance directly impact the efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and environmental footprint of these essential manufacturing operations. Number 5. ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welding Tungsten Electrode 10-Pack. Introducing ARCCAPTAIN's premium TIG welding tungsten electrodes. This pack contains 10 high-quality electrodes, perfect for your welding needs. Crafted to meet rigorous standards like AWSA 5.12 MA 5.12:2009, these electrodes ensure top-tier quality. Each piece boasts 100% traceability for your peace of mind. Experience superior performance with electrodes manufactured to exact specifications. They resist thermal shock, offering fast arc striking and a low burn-off rate without spreading, even on thick aluminum. Enjoy excellent electrical conductivity and consistent performance, even in high-current DC applications. These electrodes are designed to help you achieve perfect, consistent welds every time. Ideal for DC applications, they are perfect for welding various materials including copper, nickel, titanium, and stainless steels. Suitable for welders of all skill levels. This package includes 10 electrodes, each one 16x7. They are vacuum-packed to prevent oxidation, ensuring long-term preservation and readiness for use. What we like. This electrode offers top-tier quality and adherence to international standards. Its high performance ensures a low burn-off rate and resistance to splitting, even under heavy amperage. If you are looking for consistent, reliable welds with minimal electrode consumption, especially for DC applications on various alloys, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The graphite electrode has excellent thermal conductivity, ensuring efficient heat transfer during use. Its high electrical conductivity makes it ideal for high-temperature applications. The electrode exhibits superior resistance to thermal shock, preventing cracking under rapid temperature changes. Number 4. Superfine Molded Graphite Rod 0.5x12. Introducing our Superfine Molded Graphite Rod, designed for extreme conditions. It offers exceptional performance where you need it most. This rod can withstand temperatures up to an incredible 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit in inert environments. It's built to endure the harshest applications. Featuring a superfine particle size of just 0.001 inch, it ensures a smooth and consistent finish. This precision is key for demanding tasks. With a density of 1.8 gr cubic centimeter and a compressive strength of 13,000 psi, it provides the durability and reliability you expect. It's engineered for robust performance. Its low resistivity of 0.00050 ohm-inch makes it ideal for applications requiring superior electrical conductivity. Experience efficient and effective results. This 0.5-inch diameter by 12-inch long rod is precision engineered for your specific needs. Trust in its quality for your critical projects. What we like. This graphite rod can withstand incredibly high temperatures up to 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit in an inert atmosphere. Its fine particle size and high density contribute to its robust physical properties. If your application demands extreme heat resistance and a dense, stable material, such as in specialized industrial processes or research, this rod is ideal. What people say. The graphite electrode has excellent thermal conductivity, ensuring efficient heat transfer during operation. Its high electrical conductivity makes it ideal for high-current applications, reducing energy loss. The electrode's superior resistance to thermal shock prevents cracking and ensures a longer service life. Number 3. Eisco Labs Carbon Red Electrode, Pack of 10. Introducing the Eisco Labs Carbon Red Electrode. These are very high-quality electrode strips designed for your laboratory needs. Each electrode measures 100 mm in length with a 6 mm diameter. This precise sizing ensures compatibility with various equipment. You'll receive a convenient pack of 10 electrodes. This ensures you have plenty on hand for multiple experiments. Crafted for durability, these electrodes offer reliable performance. Trust Eisco Labs for your essential scientific supplies. Whether for educational purposes or research, these carbon electrodes are a valuable addition to any lab. Get yours today. What we like. These carbon electrodes are presented as very high-quality strips in a convenient pack of 10. With standard dimensions of 100mm x 6mm, they are easy to integrate into many setups. If you need reliable, good quality electrodes for general laboratory use or educational experiments where standard sizes are preferred, this pack offers great value. What people say. The graphite electrode is made of high-quality graphite material, ensuring excellent conductivity and thermal resistance. Its precise machining allows for easy installation and a secure connection, minimizing energy loss during operation. The electrode's robust design withstands high temperatures and harsh operating conditions, leading to a longer service life. Number 2. CGjiogujio 99.99% Graphite Electrode Rod. Introducing the CGjiogujio Graphite Electrode Rods. Experience exceptional purity with over 99.99% graphite content for superior performance. These rods are precisely engineered to a diameter of 3 mm and a length of 100 mm. This ensures a perfect fit for your specific applications. Each package contains 10 graphite electrode cylinder rods. You'll have plenty to complete your projects without interruption. Crafted from ultra-pure 99.99% graphite, these electrodes are designed for demanding tasks. Their high purity guarantees reliable and consistent results. Whether for industrial use or specialized projects, these graphite rods offer the quality and precision you need. Their consistent dimensions and purity make them a versatile choice. What we like. This graphite electrode boasts an ultra-high purity of over 99.99% and precise dimensions for consistent performance. Its fine cylindrical rod form is suitable for applications requiring high purity and controlled electrical properties. If you are working on sensitive electronic components, advanced material research, or any process where material purity is paramount, these rods are a superior option. What people say. The graphite electrode has excellent conductivity, ensuring efficient current transfer during arc furnace operations. Its high thermal shock resistance allows it to withstand extreme temperature fluctuations without cracking, leading to a longer service life. The precise machining of the electrode ensures a secure fit with the electrode holder, minimizing resistance and improving overall system stability. Number 1. CGjiogujio Graphite Electrode Rods. Introducing our premium graphite electrode rods. They offer exceptional purity, exceeding 99.99% for superior performance. Each rod is precisely manufactured to a diameter of 4 mm and a length of 200 mm. This ensures accuracy in your applications. Crafted for durability, these rods are designed to withstand demanding conditions. You can rely on their consistent quality. Their high purity and precise dimensions make them suitable for a wide range of industrial and experimental uses. This package includes 5 graphite electrode cylinder rods. You get ample supply for your projects. What we like. Offering the same ultra-high purity of over 99.99% as its smaller counterpart, this graphite electrode comes in larger dimensions, 4 mm x 200 mm. This makes it suitable for applications requiring a longer electrode or a larger surface area for interaction. If your project involves extended use, larger-scale experiments, or processes that benefit from a longer-lasting, high-purity graphite component, this pack is the better fit. What people say. The graphite electrode has a high density and excellent thermal conductivity, ensuring efficient heat transfer during operation. Its low electrical resistance minimizes energy loss, making it a cost-effective choice for high-temperature applications. The electrode's superior mechanical strength allows it to withstand extreme conditions without fracturing, providing long-term reliability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.